we were talking behind me. Their name is Uppercut. You're ready to rock and roll. Put your hands together for them, please. I'm looking forward to the show myself. You guys want to see a concert tonight or what? You guys want to hear some free music? Well, then let me get off this stage and let's get going.
It's not raining. We're going to take you back to the sound of some really great bands. One of which, Chicago. It's okay to smile, everybody. It's a good day to be alive. Come on. I was walking down the street one day. A man came up to me and asked me what the time was that was on my watch. Yeah, I said, come on now. Does anybody really know what time it is? Does anybody really care? I can't imagine why. What now? Oh, that time on the cry. As I was walking down that street one day, this pretty lady looked at me and said her diamond watch had stopped cocaine. I said, yes, I said, does anybody really know what time it is? Anybody really care about time? No, I can't imagine why. All that time on the cry. As I was walking down the street one day,